Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Pro Tech Station. It's great to see you all. Guess what? It's another tips and tricks time, so let's dive right in to see what's the tips of the day. So okay, have you ever ran into a situation that your phone battery is almost about to die or running pretty low in terms of battery life, and you would like to extend the battery life of that current state as long as possible? On a Galaxy smartphone, there is a mode called Ultra Power Saving, and I am going to show you how to enable that. So first of all, you just have to swipe down the notification and swipe down one more time and look for power mode right here. And all you need to do is hold on to the icon, and then it brings up to all these different settings. You can have a high performance, which use a lot of battery, but it gives you the best performance in terms of like the CPU and the screen and the brightness. And then you have optimized, which is like your normal mode. And then you have a medium power saving. So if you press on medium power saving, it will give you an estimate time. Like right now, on the 70% battery life I have right now, I will have an estimate around 10 hours of battery life for this. And what it does is limit your CPU speed, and it also turn off the always on display, and your brightness will be dim 10%, and screen resolution will be tweaked down to high definition. And under that, there is another mode called maximum power saving. And this is the mode that I am sharing to you all today. And all you have to do is just press max power saving, and then you see right here, instead of 10 hours extra battery life, this one will give you a day and 6 hours of battery life. So basically, it will just turn off every unessential modes of your phone to prolong the extended battery life, and it will also reduces certain apps of your phone running in the background. So this is the ultra power saving mode right here. As you can see, it says I have a 1 day and 6 hour remaining, 69% battery life right now, and everything it's not running in the background. Everything's all very minimalistic, and you can only choose up to 4 apps that you want on the home screen, and it has to be certain apps. So you just press the app button. You can choose whatever essential apps that Samsung suggested right here. So nothing much, like calendar, alarm clock, email, Facebook, or whatever, Samsung Notes. Nothing fancy, no games, nothing, because this mode is really essential, bare bones. So that way the phone can actually extend the battery life up to a much longer battery life right here. So I'll just put, like, let's say WhatsApp, or and that's it. And if you're done, you're home, you have a charger, and you want to revert it back to the normal mode, all you have to do is press the small little dot right here, and it says turn off power saving. So I press this, and then everything will be loaded back to your original settings. So there you go. This is back to your regular setting. You can actually pull up your app drawer and find your favorite apps and stuff like that. So I hope this little tip will save you guys some trouble and extend some battery life for your smartphone. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed today's content, and please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I'm greatly very appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Pro Tech Station. It's great to see you all. Guess what? It's another tips and tricks. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Pro Tech Station. It's great to see you all. Guess what? It's another tips and tricks time, so let's dive right in. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Pro Tech Station. It's great to see you all. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Pro Tech Station. It's great to see you all. Guess what? It's time for... Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Pro Tech Station.
Oh no!